Unlock your earnings potential joining the Walmart affiliate program. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about Walmart affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Walmart affiliate program is, it's a marketing initiative offered by Walmart that allows you to earn commission by promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, or social media channels. Participants in the program known as affiliates receive unique tracker links that they can use to promote Walmart's vast range of products. When a customer makes a purchase through an affiliate link, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. The program provides affiliates with access to various marketing tools, reporting dashboards, and support resources to help you to succeed in promoting Walmart product and maximizing your earning. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to Walmart by typing walmart.com. As you can see, Walmart is offering a range of products every day, including groceries, clothing, electronics, and more, with low prices. As I mentioned earlier, you can earn money through um, the Walmart affiliate program by promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, social media, and wherever. But how we can do that? So wherever you are, wherever the country you come from, you can become a Walmart affiliate. Let's talk more about affiliate program. For that, you can come to this web page, which is affiliate.walmart.com, and then here we have a lot of information. If you want more details about the affiliate program, let's see what we have here. We have here if you want to earn commissions by becoming a Walmart affiliate, the only thing you have to do is click here, sign up. But before we click here, let's see what we have in this home page. So first of all, we have here the step. If you want to be, or if you want to earn money, you can get started, and then by signing up, and then you connect your audience to products they love, and then you will get your money. So here we have some advantages if you became a member on this program. You'll receive, for example, a weekly newsletter with banners, links, and information about great products to feature on your site. You'll receive access to the affiliate member center where you can get more banners, generate links, and get data feeds to further customize your Walmart.com referrals to your visitors. You'll also have the support of the Walmart.com affiliate account team members and all the great tools on Impact Reduce platform. They make it as easy as possible for you to get the most out of the program. So let's see what we have here. We have more details about affiliate program. Here we have security and privacy, terms and conditions, and let's see what we have here. We have some questions or the frequently asked and their answers if you wanna know more about this program. And here we have security and privacy. As you can see, there's a lot of information that you can get here, and the same thing on term and conditions. So as I mentioned, if you wanna get more details, you can just check this out. And then we will go to the home page, and then we will click here to signing up. So first of all, the thing you'll have to do is fill in this information or fill in your information by filling this field, your first name, your last name, your email. Then you confirm your email address and your username, your password, and you confirm your password. Then the next step is fill in your company information. You have here account display name, your website, your street address, and your apartment or suite. It's an optional field. Here we have the city, state, zip code, country, phone number, time zone, and the currency. The third step and the final one is about promotion and media. Here we have your main promotional method and the secondary promotional method, then your promoting country. Here we have a lot of main promotional method. You can select the one you want or choose the one you have. After selecting the one or the main promotional method, then you will go to the secondary promotional method by selecting which one you want to. So for example, let's see what we have here. For example, the first one, email marketing. If you have an email list, you can promote Walmart's products to your subscriber through targeted email campaigns, craft compelling email newsletter, or product recommendations that encourage subscribers to click on your affiliate links and make purchases. The same thing, for example, for social media influencer, you can, for example, use your social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest to promote Walmart's products. If you have followers, share affiliate links along with engaging captions, images, or videos that highlight the benefits of or features of the products you're promoting. Then, once you've entered all the required information, review your application to ensure everything is accurate. Submit your application for review. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for Walmart to review and approve it. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once your application is approved, you will receive access to your affiliate dashboard. Here you'll find tools and resources to help you get started with promoting Walmart products and tracking your earnings. Then, with your account approved and dashboard access granted, you can begin promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, social media channels using the affiliate links provided in your dashboard. By following these steps, you can sign up for the Walmart affiliate program and start earning money by promoting Walmart product online. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.